Hello, this is Cheyenne with the Business Master Suite. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog. First, in order to get to the blogs, you're going to go to Sites and then Blogs. I already have my basic blog site set up. I will show that in a different video. But for this, I will just show you how to create the actual blog itself. So I'm going to click on the blog site here. Okay, these are the current blogs that we have published, and then I have two that are drafted, so I can always come back. We're going to go to New Post. Okay, up here, this is where the title of the blog goes. The Business Health Check. Here. Okay. And then you just start writing here. I usually create my blog on a separate document, so I can just copy and paste. Alright, I kind of want to turn this into a guide now, so what I'm going to do is actually rewrite this real quick to where it's a guide attached to the blog, so give me one moment. Okay, so I have the blog started, and then I'm going to actually add that checklist, and then I'm going to actually go through and adjust the bullet points here as well. Actually, this will be the start. I might make it a blog series, a content series, so I'll have each of these broken down. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Okay, so you can add images and all that good stuff, but I'm just showing you the basics of getting started. So I'm going to hit save, and when you click continue, this is where the most brunt of the work happens, okay, right here. So you want to select which category, the author, the canonical link, and add the keywords in here, okay? So give me one moment so I can go create the guide, because you can save it as a draft, but yeah, it doesn't save all of this when you save it as a draft. But I'm gonna do the URL slug. We're gonna do this, and you'll watch, it'll automatically change right here. See? Once I click off of it, and then it'll automatically change this part. And then the category is gonna be business here, and author is me. Okay, so this is where you want to draft it. Don't add your keywords yet. If you have to go back in or you just want to draft, just add this part, and then you can draft it. Okay, and then you can go add the additional things if you need to, which I'll do right now, and then I'll show you how to finish out the rest. Okay, I want to show you guys this real quick as well. Inside of payments, if you go under documents and contracts and templates, and you go to add new, you can create a public document, okay? And this is where people can download, they can look at the document, the guides, all of that. And you can require their name and their email here as well. Okay. Alrighty, so we're back in here to add the guide. There we go, let's see. Access the free download. guide here. I'm going to make it bold. Link. There we go. Now, the add no follow means, you know, it can't be scraped and things like that. Okay. And here we go. And we're gonna save. And we're gonna continue to the last part. Alright, so this is the part that takes the longest. Okay, so I usually separate my keywords by commas because that's normally how you do it for SEO. So I paste them all, okay, and then I go like this and hit enter. Paste, backspace, enter. Okay, so Control V is paste, backspace to get rid of the comma, and then I just drag it all the way over. Control X, which cuts, meaning it copies it and removes it at the same time. Control V, remove the comma, go all the way back. Control X, Control V, move the comma, go all the way back. Control X, Control V, move the comma, go all the way back. Control X, just like that, all the way until all the keywords and key phrases are okay. All right, then you want to add a post description. So as you can tell, right here is right here, and then you want to add a cover image. The recommended size is 600 by 400. You don't want to be too large because it will show at the top of the blog. So give me one moment to get the image. Alright, so I'm going to change this, and I have my blogs folder in here, and I'm just gonna upload my image. Double click on it, it drops in, and then the alt text is what this is for SEO, increase visibility for the image. So these show up in like ChatGPT, things like that, when people are looking up certain images, and yeah, looks really, really good. Actually, I want to add one thing, which is our logo to it. So give me one moment. Okay, so I'm gonna change it up a little bit here. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this one. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Now I'm going to hit publish. Now you can also schedule it to be published at a certain time too, but we're gonna go ahead and publish it for today, and we're gonna publish, and there it is. Now you can click this right here, and it'll show you what it looks like. See? Ta-da! See, what I used to mess up on is putting the title inside of the text as well, until I realized it's right here, so you don't really need to. Alright, so it is all set and done. Takes about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on, you know, not including the blog writing itself and the imaging and stuff like that. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow today. Business Master Suite will show you the way. One suite, one solution, unlimited growth. Building your business from coast to coast.